Excellencies, distinguished delegates and colleagues. I am Wali Haider from Roots for Equity, Pakistan, and I'm speaking on behalf of Pharma Major Group. The dominant paradigm of unsustainable production and consumption continue to devastate the situation of the environment and the people along the promotion of trade-related aspect of intellectual property rights, which force GMOs and commodification of seeds and water. This crisis is further compounded by unattainable land grabs by transnational corporations. This is manifest in the crisis in food, climate, environmental degradation, reduced biodiversity, depleted natural resources, and increasing violation of people's rights and exacerbating inequality. The industrial model of agriculture production deprives subsidies in the agriculture sectors are destroying the sources of livelihood of a small-scale food producer and their communities, resulting in hunger and forced migration. To tackle the challenges we are facing in nourishing a growing global population and ensuring food sovereignty required innovations. People-centered and community solutions and innovations are appropriate technologies that protect the environment, promote sustainability, community ownership, social solidarity, and mutuality, and based on development justice. Innovative solutions that make a difference in people's lives are often not technological, but social innovations, linked with traditional practice and based on indigenous and local knowledge systems. Dimensions of environment, economy, and society, the three pillars of sustainable development, are all taken into account in people's solutions and community innovations towards sustainable consumption and production. It is proven that in food production, agroecology as a practice based on constant innovation of farmers, a science and a social movement, is known to improve soil, protect health and the environment, improve livelihood, and increase household income. Agroecology also harnesses traditional and indigenous knowledge system supported by people's science and builds community unity. Therefore, we call for strengthening and promotion of agroecology through appropriate laws, policy, and program, as well as the protection of local, indigenous, and traditional knowledge in agriculture, and creates market for traditional produce. Subsidies, incentive, and development aid should be retargeted away from industrial agriculture towards agroecological solution and small-scale local production. We also note with concern that the negotiations are tilted more in favor of big businesses than ecology and pharma. However, we call on member states to protect the interest of the small and the landless farmer. We also have some call for action, but I'm not, for the sake of the time saving, I'm not reading that, but we are submitting this. The farmers of the world stand ready to support you, so we can work together on these. Thank you very much.